Let's take an example of how to construct a BAM network. Let's take this problem. Construct and test a BAM network to associate the letters capital E and capital F with simple bipolar input-output vectors. Target output for capital E is -1, 1 and for capital F is 1, 1. Display matrix size 5 by 3. Input patterns are given like this. So these are the 5 by 3 matrix where we have 5 rows and 3 columns. Here there are some asterisks and some dots are presenting. That means here asterisk means we need to take 1. So for dots we need to take -1 as our input is bipolar input, and we need to observe the input as we have already obtained the targets. That means those are the target outputs. So we need to get the inputs from the pattern itself, as the patterns are given. For E we need to put 1 for the asterisk and star for the -1. That means first we have from in first row there are 3 asterisks, and the fourth point is also asterisk. The fifth point, that means second row, second column point is dot. That means we need to put -1. In that way we need to take the input for capital E. So see, in the down you can see this part. This is capital E. This is asterisk, so it has 1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1, and again come here. This is an asterisk, so I need to put 1 here. After that there is a dot, so I need to put -1. One dot is there, so I need to put -1. So this is the asterisk, so I need to put 1 here, and this is again asterisk 1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1 dot -1 dot -1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1 and finally asterisk 1. In this way we need to frame the inputs by using the pattern. Once the inputs are framed and the target is already given, that is -1 and 1, so we need to find out the weight matrix, that is W1. And similarly for pattern F, this is pattern F, so it looks like F. So you can easily identify this. We can identify these patterns, why these are pattern E and pattern F. So this looks like E in English, and this look like F. So that's why the names are like that. So coming to F, for F this is asterisk, so I need to put 1 here, asterisk 1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1 asterisk 1. Then I have dot here, so -1 -1. Again I have asterisk here 1, again I have dot here -1, again I have dot here, that is also -1, and then this is asterisk, so 1 and -1 and -1. In this way we can frame the input pattern or sample pattern. Okay, this is the sample pattern and this is the target vector. You can call this as input vector also or sample vector. In this way we obtain both input and outputs. So up to this everything is okay, and by using pattern E we can find the weight matrix W1, and by using F we can find the weight matrix W2. Now my job is, first I need to train the network. So to train the network I need to use, that means the exact question is I need to frame a BAM network which can associate both capital E and capital F. That means I need to take the weight matrix W1 from capital E and W2 from capital F, and I need to frame my new weight matrix which can show the property of associativity between for capital E and capital F with their corresponding inputs and with their corresponding targets. So this is what we need to do. So let us go ahead with weight matrix, finding out of weight matrix, and that can also be called as training the BAM network. Yes, in this way we need to train our BAM network. So training means we need to obtain our weight matrix. If we take X vector as input, the weight matrix is W1, and this is the formula sigma P S transpose of P into T of P. So T of P is the target vector and S transpose of P is the transpose of our sample vector or input vector. So whatever vector we have obtained in the previous page, so that is a row vector or row matrix, and now we need to transpose this same. So this is my column matrix. So these are the values what we have obtained in the previous thing. So that is S of P. Now it is S transpose of P. Okay, so we can simply recollect the knowledge of matrix here. So once this is S transpose of P and the target vector is -1 and 1. So this is also given in the question clearly, and once we need to, if we multiply these two, we can get W weight matrix, that is W1 from X vector. So this is my W1, and similarly this is my W1, this is from capital E pattern, and this is from capital F pattern, where I need to find W2 transpose of S. So W2 is equal to S transpose. So this is related to the capital F pattern, and this is the target of capital F. So by multiplying these two, we can get this matrix. And once we found these two matrices, now I need to find the final weight matrix for my BAM network by incorporating both of them, capital E and capital F. So I need to simply add these two. W1 plus W2 will give us capital W, and that will be equal to this matrix. So once you have finished this part, now what we need to do is, this is up to this part, this is my training part. So training of my network, that means how once we train our network, so we will get the weight matrix. So I got weight matrix here. Now what I need to do here, so here testing with capital E and capital F. Now I need to go ahead with testing. So how I need to test my BAM network. So